Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix phone heating while charging on iPhone XR. So first, close all the background apps. Next, you need to know that it is completely normal for your phone to heat while charging, especially while you're using the fast charging. Next, go into the settings, then General, Software Updates, and if you have any update, then click Update Now. Remember to use original cable and a charger. Avoid using your phone while charging, just leave it on the nightstand and let it charge properly. And charge in a cool and ventilated area. Also, you can remove the case of your phone so the air can flow better. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.